Hi lovers of good things, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Lady Zion Sweet Home. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I prepare my minestrone. Yes, if you don't know what is called minestrone, minestrone is Italian soup. Yes, Italian soup cooked with vegetable, and it's so healthy and delicious. Oh my god, if you want to be young, if you want to look beautiful, if you want your stature, like your body to remain the way you want it, this kind of food is for you. So guys, before we go right into this video, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, oh my god, what are you waiting for? It's absolutely free of charge. Go ahead and subscribe and you will never regret it. And for my old and new subscribers, thank you all so much for all the support. I really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Without taking much time, let's go ahead as we introduce all the ingredients. I have my chicken. I bought this from Lidl supermarket. So this is the chicken. I'm not going to be using everything. I will take from it. The other ingredient is I have my carrots. It has been washed and scraped. So just for me to dice it, this is it. I have my zucca. This is pancake, and this zucca or pancake is very good. This is my red pepper and yellow pepper. This was it. It's like a Nigeria tatashe. Our onions, I have sliced my onions. Can you see? I don't think I'm going to use everything, but I just slice as much as I can. This is the white beans. This one is very good. This is my potato. It has been washed and just for me to dice it. I also have my pasta. I decided to use this pasta. Like, I use this pasta because it's very little in size and it's like indomie. So this one is very good for this minestrone. I have my tomatoes mixed with basilico leaf. Can you see this? Can you see this? So I'll be using this. In this supermarket close to me, I could not find fresh garlic. I decided to use blended garlic, which is this one, grounded garlic. I decided to use this one to replace the fresh one. Argentina, this is it. I know they call it gentelina in English as well. Let me show you how it look like. Can you see how fresh and beautiful is it? We also have another leaf which is called sedano. This is it, and in English is called celery leaf. This is celery leaf, which is called Italian sedano. This is it. So fresh. These are all the ingredients we are going to be using for this minestrone. Thank you for coming and enjoy the rest of this video with peace and love. Stay tuned to this video. I will be right back as I dice all the ingredients as we continue the cooking. If you want to know the name of all these ingredients, make sure you watch the video from the beginning to the end so that you don't miss anything from this recipe. Delicious. forget your salt. So I decided to remove from the vegetable so that the chicken can cook very well. It's a perfect food to eat this time around. Wow, this is looking so delicious.